It's your boy Tay, aka Sick Youngster. It's your boy David Isaiah. Deuce, Trey Deuce. This for my Trey Deuce family right here. Yes, we bout to fucking get loose. We passing great deuce, cause it's fucking Trey Deuce. We bout to get our fucking troops, nigga. This is what we fucking do. Trey Deuce, nigga. We bout to get fucking loose. This is what we do. We passing Grey Goose, cause it's fucking Trey Deuce. Yes, we bout to go get our fucking troops. Yes, we fucking Trey Deuce. Getting loose, nigga. This is what the fuck we do. Yes. I'm about to let y'all know where the fuck I'm from. Yes, I'm from that. In my cricket little eye, cricket little eye, cricket little eye. That's that dirty South shit. Yes, I'm from the fucking SIP. 8 till I was almost 21. Now I'm about to get out this fucking cage. Now I'm about to let my rage loose. Do you see my fucking age? I'm back in LV on a new fucking level. My family always let me know I was Trey Deuce since the day I was born. This ain't no crib shit, no fucking blood shit. Do you wanna know what this is? Well, I'm not gonna tell you. All you need to know, we fucking 32, yes. I'ma lay it down just so I can bust. Yes, who the fuck can you trust? No, this ain't no fucking lust. All you need to know, baby, is Trey Deuce in the air, and we get loose, baby. This is what we do. Yes, we always getting loose, passing the fucking Grey Goose, cause we Trey Deuce. Now we bout to get the fucking troops, cause this is what the fuck we do. Do you wanna get fucking loose? Sip on some of this fucking Grey Goose. Join Trey Deuce, get with our troops. I don't think you fucking do, cause the Trey Deuce in the air. We always getting loose, nigga. Sippin' on some of this Grey Goose, cause we fucking Trey Deuce. Now we bout to get loose, Trey Deuce.
Nigga, this is Trey Deuce all the way. Don't give a fuck what that other nigga say. Better watch where you stand or you might lay. Better chill, nigga, cause this is Judgment Day. It's Trey Deuce and I got my nigga Tay, and we gon' rip this shit, nigga, like a nigga say first. Hold your hand up, I make your chest burst. And matter of fact, we just haul you off in the hearse. It's Trey Deuce, nigga, we layin' loose, nigga, with that Grey Goose, and I got my troops, nigga. And you might get disfigured from the concrete. Got them pistols, nigga, ain't nobody harming me. It's Trey Deuce, and we chillin', Trey Deuce. We some villains, Trey Deuce, and I hit them no ceilings like Lil Wayne. And I do my shit the same, but every day we maintain with the Trey Deuce.
Yes, we always getting loose, passing Grey Goose. This is what we do, Trey Deuce, nigga. Now we bout to get our fucking troops. Yes, cause we fucking Trey Deuce.